sponsored by John Cabello. That is Steve Erickson. Inside row 3, the final car all by himself in that number 9 Pinto. That is Aaron Rude. As we've got all 3 of our points leaders in this race getting ready to go, we're going to go green flag this next time around. Here they come, Green flag, and we're racing.
And it's the 8-car, David Russell Jr., 4th in points out front. And it's Shannon Stoltz. He's 5th in points. All of our top points leaders right here and right in a bundle. And that's the way the American short trackers have run this entire season as they'll come to the line. David Russell Jr. with a slight edge over the 55 of Shannon Stoltz.
Look at the battle. This is amazing. You've got Evink, Erickson right on the rear ends waiting to see what's going to happen between Stoltz and Russell Jr. Who's going to grab the lead this time around? Looks like it's David Russell Jr. with a half a car.
He's doing a good job of holding off the 4th and 5th in the points of Russell and Stoltz, holding off those 1, 2, 3 point leaders, keeping them all in the back view as David Russell Jr. starting to pull away just a little bit. 55 of Shannon Stoltz with a battle along with that 68 car of Steve Erickson Jr., but it's still David Russell Jr. in that 8 car holding them all off.
And Kelly Evink with a dive bomb move into 3 and 4, almost made it 3 wide, changed his mind, slingshotted back to the inside. He's slingshotting back to the inside. Look at Kelly Evink go. He's trying to go inside, outside. What's he going to choose? He's trying to make his move on Shannon Stoltz.
He definitely is making it fun here tonight. He's 3rd in points, but he definitely doesn't want to finish anywhere back on this heat as he's worked his way into that 4th spot. And speaking of working his way up, the 68 car of Steve Erickson Jr. now battling with Dave Russell Jr., a couple of juniors out front.
So it's junior versus junior, and junior's leading.
And watch out for a little junior Pinto that's creeping in there, and Aaron Rude.
And here comes Kelly Evink again, almost went and made it 3 wide. Let's see what he's going to do in turn 3 in that 98 car. He's fast, he's backing off. Here he comes, white flag, 1 to go for Steve Erickson Jr., followed by Aaron Rude. David Russell, who's going to win this race?
Kelly Evink has definitely made it a lot fun, starting from where he did, working his way up to that 3rd spot, but can he catch that Pinto for 2nd? I don't know if he has enough in him. He doesn't. And it's going to be Steve Erickson Jr. in the 68 car 1st. Aaron Rude in the number 9 2nd. Actually the 8 car of David Russell in 3rd. The 4th is the 98 car of Kelly Evink and the 55 of Shannon Stoltz, rounding off your top 5 here for the American short trackers. That victory for the 68 car, that is his 5th heat win. He's got a feature win, 3 dashes. That's the pretty boy from McChesney Park, Illinois. 2nd in points, John Cabello, the state rep, District 68. Hayes Beers Distributing Company, Yes Staffing, Erickson Auto Parts, main sponsors for that 88 Ford Mustang.
Who got 3rd place again? Was that David Russell Jr.? That was a close battle. I couldn't tell who got 3rd in that race.
Yeah, David Russell Jr. in 3rd on that.
Wow, yeah, 'cause Kelly Evink was charging, and he must have just held him off there. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, give it up. It's Steve Erickson Jr.